What would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you? 'Cause I'd surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I'd reach to you, I know you can feel it too. We'll make it through 1,000 dreams, I still believe. I'd make you give them all to me. I'd hold you in my arms, never let go. I surrender. Oh, I can't survive another night away from you. You're the reason I go on. Now I need to live the truth. Right now, there's no better time. From this fear I will break, and I'll live again with love. No, they can't take